Brace yourself for significant freeway closures near Sky Harbor this weekend that could seriously disrupt your travel plans. If you're heading out around Phoenix, it's crucial to know what's happening on the roads so you can avoid unexpected delays. But here's where it gets controversial. Some of these closures might spark debate about whether the timing and detours are truly convenient for commuters and event-goers alike. Starting Friday night and continuing through Monday morning, crews will be hard at work on several key freeway sections, leading to multiple closures and detours. The Arizona Department of Transportation, ADOT, has outlined these changes on their website, https://weekend freeway travel advisory, and here's a detailed breakdown to help you navigate the weekend. First up, westbound Interstate 10 will be completely shut down between the I-17 split interchange near Sky Harbor Airport and 7th Avenue. This closure begins at 9 p.m. Friday and lasts until 9 a.m. Sunday, September 14th. This stretch is undergoing scheduled maintenance and inspection work, which is essential but inconvenient for many drivers. Additionally, the westbound I-10 ramp to southbound I-17 at the Stack interchange west of 19th Avenue will also be closed. On top of that, the southbound State Route 51 and westbound Loop 202, Red Mountain Freeway, ramps leading to westbound I-10 at the mini Stack interchange will be inaccessible. If you're wondering how to get around this, ADOT suggests a detour. Westbound I-10 traffic approaching the closure should take northbound I-17 near Sky Harbor Airport and then access westbound I-10 at the Stack north of Van Buren Street. While this detour might add some time to your trip, it's currently the best alternative to avoid the closed sections. Next, northbound Loop 101 Pima Freeway will be closed between Shea Boulevard and Princess Drive, Pima Road in Scottsdale, from 10 p.m. Friday until 5 a.m. Monday, September 15th. This closure is part of a widening project aimed at improving traffic flow in the long run. The northbound Loop 101 on-ramps at Via de Ventura and 90th Street will also be closed during this period. For those who usually use this route, especially Arizona Cardinals fans traveling to the Sunday game in Glendale, this is the part most people miss. You'll need to allow extra travel time and consider alternative routes. One suggested detour is to exit at Shea Boulevard, head west, then take northbound Scottsdale Road to reconnect with Loop 101. Another option is to use westbound Loop 202, Red Mountain Freeway, to northbound SR 51, then access Loop 101 beyond the closure. This might seem complicated, but planning ahead can save you from frustrating delays. In addition, both Interstate 17 ramps to westbound Loop 101 Agua Fria Freeway will be closed from 10 p.m. Friday to 5 p.m. Saturday, September 13th, for another widening project. To bypass this closure, consider using westbound Deer Valley Road or Union Hills Drive to 35th Avenue, which will lead you to westbound Loop 101. Finally, several ramps on Loop 202, Santan Freeway, will be affected. The eastbound on-ramp at Cooper Road and the eastbound off-ramp at Gilbert Road will be closed from 10 p.m. Friday to 5 a.m. Sunday, September 14th. Additionally, the eastbound on-ramp at Arizona Avenue will be closed from 10 p.m. Friday to 5 a.m. Monday, September 15th, and the westbound on-ramp at Val Vista Drive will be closed from 10 p.m. Friday to 5 a.m. Sunday, September 14th. Drivers should plan to use other nearby ramps to navigate these closures. All these projects are part of ongoing efforts to improve freeway capacity and safety, but they come with short-term headaches. Are these closures timed optimally to minimize disruption, or could ADOT have chosen less impactful windows? What do you think about the detour routes? Are they practical or just adding unnecessary complexity? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Remember, staying informed is your best defense against weekend travel woes. For the latest updates, keep an eye on ABC 15 Arizona in Phoenix headlines anytime, and consider signing up for the Headlines newsletter to get timely information straight to your inbox. Copyright 2025, Scripps Media Incorporated. All rights reserved. This content may not be published, broadcast, rewritten, or redistributed without permission.